Welcome to the Spendwise Moms channel, your homemaking resource hub. Today, I'm making a great tasting clam chowder. I got this recipe from my husband's grandmother, so I don't know what the origin of it is, but it is supposed to be a knockoff of Bratton's clam chowder. If you want to impress your family and friends, this is a good one to make. They won't even know how easy it is to make it. I will leave a link to the print copy of the recipe in the description box below. So first of all, you're going to gather your ingredients for the soup. You'll need a quart of half and half, 3/4 a cup of butter, which is 1½ sticks, which I totally forgot to put in the picture, 3/4 of a cup of flour, which I also forgot to put in the picture, 2 cans of clams, 2 cups of diced potatoes, 1 cup of diced celery, 1 cup of diced onion, and last is salt and pepper to taste. First, you're going to dice up your veggies and set them aside. Then, put your veggies in a small saucepan. Open the cans of clams and drain only the clam juice into the saucepan over the veggies. Set your clams aside for later. Add just enough water to cover the veggies in the saucepan. Turn your burner to a medium heat and bring it to a boil. After it boils, turn it down to a low heat and cook until the veggies are done. Somewhere between 8 and 15 minutes about. While those are cooking, melt 1½ sticks or 3/4 of a cup of butter into a large pan on a medium heat. A 4-quart saucepan is probably the best. Later in this recipe, you'll see why I said that. My frying pan got a bit full. Add your flour and whisk them together, and then add your half and half a little at a time. In my opinion, a whisk is a must-have when you make sauce or gravy. Half and half adds a creaminess and great taste. If you're trying to be healthier or save money, the recipe will suffer if you use milk instead. When all of the half and half is added, keep stirring constantly for a few minutes until it thickens. This will make a very thick sauce. Don't worry, that's how it's supposed to be. When you add the veggies and the liquid, it will thin it out. When the sauce is done, turn off your burner and take it off the heat. Add your clams. This recipe calls for 2 cans of clams, but a lot of times I just use 1 because I don't like the squishiness of clams. It tastes good either way. When the veggies are done, turn off the heat and add them to the white sauce. Stir and mix well. Add salt and pepper to your taste, and enjoy. Thanks for watching the Spendwise Moms channel. Please subscribe for more videos just like this.